Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Camilla, local and long-distance movers near me. Be prepared to face several complications once you decide to move to a different city or to another apartment over 50 miles from where you stay now. A long-distance move can either be intrastate within the same state or interstate, which involves you crossing state boundaries. It'll get worse if you try it by yourself or hire moving companies with questionable reputations. We're here to assist you with your long-distance intrastate and interstate relocations, and we have a solid working reputation with local, state, and federal authorities monitoring long-distance moves. As a precaution, we purchase insurance to pay for any damages or losses that may occur during the move. With moving with your belongings, we only have the best drivers and movers in the business. We won't overcharge you since we provide low-cost moving services, and despite our low cost, we'll never offer any services that are below standard. Since local relocations involve less distance than long-distance ones, you can expect the cost to be lesser too. We charge $30 to $40 per hour for our services. If you choose us, you'll get the best value for your money from our hardworking and experienced movers. Because we've worked in crowded cities before, you don't have to be concerned about our possessions being misplaced or damaged. Your relocation is in the best hands with our team of local movers who are here to help you make the best decisions of your move. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Camilla moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.